Like it or not, TikTok is taking over the world. At over 1 billion downloads, it's one of the most popular apps on the planet. Just like other social media platforms, you can use TikTok to skyrocket yourself to internet fame, unlocking potential opportunities and lots of money. But how exactly do you get famous on TikTok? Well, I'm gonna tell you in just a second, but first let me introduce myself. What is good? This is InformOverload. We make the news more entertaining and we tell you about the biggest viral topics that are currently trending. And what is trending right now, and almost always lately, is TikTok. Be sure to tell me what your favorite social media app is down there in those comments. Now, I am by no means famous on TikTok. I don't even have a TikTok, but I decided to create a video based on the advice of huge social media influencers like Our Fire, who have 2 million fans on TikTok. They reached 1 million fans on TikTok in 6 months by implementing very specific techniques. So, here is a step-by-step guide on how to get famous on TikTok. Real followers, real likes. Number 1, if you're new on TikTok, use the For You page. It's a great place to get ideas for TikToks. On the For You page, while you're scrolling, it's likely that you're probably going to come across the same sound. If you come across a sound 3 to 5 times, that's a huge indication that it's going to blow up. So use that sound and use it in your TikToks. The For You algorithm favors sounds that are gaining popularity. So there's a little tip from Our Fire. They also said, this is very important, so pay attention. If you're uploading your video from a camera roll, make sure you have the sound favorited, then add the sound from TikTok. Replace your original audio with the sound from TikTok. This will make sure that the app knows that you're using it and other people can find your uploads more easily. Number 2, like any other social media platform, you should take advantage of trending topics and trending hashtags as often as possible. In addition to making your TikToks original and creative, you need to jump on the bandwagons ASAP. In order to find out what's trending on TikTok, you can find trending topics within the app. Take a trend and put your own spin on it. Make it a little bit different so that you can stand out. Which leads me to my next point. Number 3, be original. Quality versus quantity. Make sure you use nice lighting. You don't need a lighting kit. Go outside, use natural light and cool backgrounds. Like with Instagram, people want to see quality, high definition content. Then you should begin to create a personality. Or if you already have a personality, show your personality as much as possible. Create a brand that people identify with or enjoy and the public will want to follow you to see what you post next. A good example of this is Ricky Thompson on Instagram. You can take this a step further and create your own hashtag so people can find all of your videos in one place. Number 4, take advantage of the music feature. Let's face it, TikTok's most popular feature is music. Some of the most popular TikToks include a popular song, and if it's a lip sync you're posting, make sure it's funny. If you're not a funny person, make yourself funny. Add a prop or a costume. Jazz it up a bit. Number 5, consistency is key. Post on a consistent basis, create an upload schedule for yourself, brainstorm a ton of ideas for your upload schedule, and then if a trending topic comes up, post about that first. This is also a really important note if you want to become a popular YouTuber. Stick to a schedule. Number 6, collab, collab, collab with bigger creators. Do you know someone who has a huge following on TikTok? Make a TikTok with them that you both post on your accounts. TikTok has the luxury that other apps don't, where you don't even need to meet up to collab. So take advantage of the split screen functions on popular posts and all the people who are looking at that post will also see your TikTok. And make sure that you're actually part of the community. Like everyone's comment that comments on your TikTok and even reply if you have the time. It shows appreciation and people will appreciate that. Number 7, keep it short. TikTok is about quick comedy. 15 seconds is the perfect amount. People have short attention spans. Ooh, that's shiny. And another thing, make sure your videos are vertical, not horizontal, no borders. It has to fill up the whole screen. Some other tips here, just a little medley. Edit your videos outside of the app, then upload from the camera roll. You don't need a super nice camera, just use your phone and nice lighting. Then to edit, use Final Cut Pro or Video Shop. Those are good ones. I use iMovie honestly and it does an okay job. This way you have more control over the TikToks that you post. And lastly, I would like to wrap up this video by saying that TikTok has a huge bullying problem. It's no secret, everybody knows it, we've talked about the problem a few times on this channel. If you want to be a huge influencer on any app or platform, be a good influence. Set a good example, be kind to others, treat people how you want to be treated, and above all things, be in it for the love of creating fun content that inspires people or makes people laugh. If you love what you do and you put out love, people will start to notice and give love back. Alrighty guys, I hope you found that helpful. I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Jess Nelson said, is that the only new angle you got? It's not so cool anymore that it's just one extra angle alone. How many angles do you need, bruh? Whee! There's only one angle! Like, I'm sorry, we don't have $3,000 to buy another camera in addition to the 2 cameras we already have. Actually, that's a lie, we might be getting a 3rd camera because this one works out so well, but... Lady Mystery said, love her sarcasm. Oh, do you, Lady Mystery? Vivian Neal said, okay, don't get me wrong, I love IO. I'm an OG fan, but I'm not feeling this 2-camera thing. Thanks for being an OG fan, but we're keeping the 2nd camera. Puppy Gaming said, I have a question. Who airs the potato throne when you leave? That is a good question. Let's not think about it. No current plans to leave. That might change if y'all don't shut up about hating the 2nd camera. David S said, welcome to the end screen, this means the video is over. I couldn't have said it better myself. If you want to keep watching IO, click on this playlist, and if you like this video and found it useful in any way, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss one of our videos.